Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about good handling technique. This is important for everyone, but especially for people who work in jobs that involve lifting and carrying heavy objects. What is good handling technique? Good handling technique is a way of lifting and carrying objects that minimizes the risk of injury. It's important to use good handling technique to protect your back and other muscles from injury. How to use good handling technique. Here are some tips for using good handling technique. Before lifting, check the weight, center of gravity, and stability of the load. Plan the route of the carry. Establish a firm grip. The lift. Bend the knees and use the leg muscles to lift. Keep the back relatively upright, but try to maintain its natural S-shaped curve. Keep the load close to the body. Avoid twisting, overreaching, and jerking. Setting down. Use the same principles as when lifting. Maintain good balance. Set the load down and then adjust its position using body weight. Why is good handling technique important? Good handling technique is important to prevent injuries, such as muscle strains and sprains, back injuries, hernias, nerve damage. Conclusion: by using good handling technique, you can protect yourself from these injuries and stay healthy. If you have any questions about good handling technique, please talk to your supervisor or a safety professional.